Dear shareholders, paragraph. I am to welcome you all to this special general meeting of the company. This is special one because the management think it necessary to call a special meeting to assess the opinion of the shareholders on vital issues now arised. Paragraph. A production at Unit A is outdated in the market unless some alternation are made in the present method of production. It is feared the stock may remain unsold. The capital of the company will get locked and the ability to maintain unsold stock and pay the salary shall be on the increase. Unit B is also suffering through the same state of affairs, but it has a byproduct which can maintain self-help. The production in Unit B has demand of the export market through more competitor producers in the country are attracted to this production. It is therefore forecasted that Unit B will give company some profit. The figures of production show also other relevant information of Unit A and B on the information note now circulated show that the loss arising out of Unit A will exceed profit that can be earned from Unit B. This will ultimately result into a loss to the company. Paragraph. With the expansion of the area of this local authority, this unit now stand within the jurisdiction of that local authority. In the near future, the local authority is likely to impose restriction on land and area like declaration of residential zone, reservation of area for school, garden, public welfare or cultural center, cinema, theater, roads, parking area, etc. Besides, the area now with the company will be subjected to educational and pollution cases, water charges, development and other taxes, etc., which shall add burden to our company's financial resources without any added receipt. Not only our units will suffer, but those of neighboring production companies are also likely to face such difficulties. All those companies have therefore started giving serious thinking to this issue, and it is not wise to be isolated from them on this subject. The likely difficulties that the company is encounter is placed before you for consideration and giving the general body's policy decision within which framework the management should act. Let me mention that it is unwise to defer the consideration on one ground or the other. The subject is open for free